Welcome to rotations. We're on level 8 and you're being asked to perform the rotation 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, so this is the shape and we want it to go 90 degrees clockwise. Now, one of the things you can do, the easiest thing to do is just pick up your computer and turn the whole thing sideways 90 degrees and see what it's going to look like. Okay, if you do that, you'll notice that the C point here, which is just beside the 5, will be down here, just below the 5. Okay, and the A, which is just beside the 11, will be down here, below the 11. All right, so when you do a 90-degree clockwise rotation or counterclockwise, you do 90 degrees, you notice that the shape is going to move down here into the next quadrant. Okay, and this C point, which is 1, 5, is going to end up down here at 5, 1. Okay, so we know the x's and y switch, really 5, negative 1, but knowing that the x and y's are going to switch position and that you're going to move into the next quadrant, you can pretty much ignore the negatives, you can ignore the signs, and you can say, look, the A is here at 411, so it's going to end up over here at, switch the signs, and you know the A is going to end up somewhere down here, so instead of it being 411, it's going to be 11, 4, okay? Really 11, negative 4, but there you go. Okay, so since this is level 8, we have to plot each point, so you have to click. Okay, B is at 3, 4, so it's going to be down here at 4, 3. Okay, so we know it's going to be in this quadrant. C is 1, 5, so it's going to be down here at 5, 1. Just like that. Okay?
Yay.
All right, perform the rotation 270 degrees counterclockwise, which means 90 clockwise again, so the same thing. Okay, so the A, instead of being, so 90 clockwise means we're going to come down here. The A and the C are going to be down here in quadrant 4, but the B is going to move over here into quadrant 1. Okay, so the A, which is 6, 9, is going to be down here at 9, 6. Okay, really 9, negative 6, but I'm ignoring the negatives. So 9, 6, right here. And the B, which is negative 2, 8. Okay, so it's up here at 2, 8, so it's going to be over at 8, 2. Okay, so it's going to be in this quadrant. Then the C, which is 5, 8, is going to be at, down here, at 8, 5. Right there. Okay, and notice, is it the same shape? It looks the same. Okay, pick up your computer, rotate it sideways. Is it in the same place where the rotated shape is going to be? And it is. So you just press the enter button or press return on your computer. Okay, here we're being asked to rotate 180 degrees. Okay, and this is saying rotate negative 180 about the origin. Okay, so it's as though you've stuck a little pin here in the origin and you've rotated the whole thing. So you've rotated the whole, rotated the computer, I guess. Okay, so what's going to happen is your C is going to end up down here, your A and B are going to be up here. And the quick trick for rotating 180 degrees is that the X's and Y's, they just switch signs. Okay, they don't switch position. So the A, which is 11, negative 6, is going to be negative 11, positive 6. Okay, and the B, which is 12, negative 6, is going to be negative 12, positive 6. And the C, which is 11, 3, is going to be negative 11, negative 3. Just like that. Okay, and you see these lines through the vertices? Whenever you do a 180 degree rotation, these lines through the vertices will pass through the origin. Okay? All right, 270 clockwise is 90 counterclockwise, so I'm going to end up, counterclockwise is against the movement of the clock, so I'm going to end up down here. So all my points are going to end up in quadrant 3. My A, which is negative 12, 10, or 12, 10, this way if I ignore the signs, is going to end up down here at 10, 12. So 10, 12. The B, which is at 5, 4, up here, is going to end up down here at 4, 5. Okay, and the C, which is at 10, 6, is going to end up down here at 6, 10. Okay, and that's all there is to it. Okay? All right, have a good day.